नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVW. Today topic is Ophidia group medicine. Homeopathic medicines made out of snake venom and their preparation, properties and clinical indication. A considerable part of homeopathic materia medica consists of medicines taken from animal kingdom. As the name implies, the Ophidia group consists of medicine taken from snakes. Ophidia comes under class Reptilia, which comes under phylum Chordata under Metazoa. The other classes in phylum Chordata include Pisces, Amphibia, Avines, and Mammalia. There are mainly 15 medicine in the Ophidia group. They are Lachesis, proved by Herring; Crotellus horridus, proved by Herring; Crotellus cascavella, proved by Muir, come under the Cortilidae. Naza, Elaps coriolanus, Bothrops, Vipera torva, Vipera communis, Vipera zedi, Canaris contrix, Bungras facitus, Toxicophis, Hydrophis cynosinus, Clotho architans, Ophiotoxinum. Sources of drugs: the poison taken from the snakes. Chemically, the snake poison are cyan hydrate of soda and other salts. Alcohol is a natural solvent and an antidote for these poisons. The major poisonous snakes, the poison of which are made use of in homeopathy are viper, cobra, krait, sea snakes, snake venom. Snake venom is the modified saliva. The venom contains 9 enzymes such as phosphofatidase, protease, cholinesterase, hyaluronidase, ribonuclease, deoxyribonuclease, oxidase, lecithinase, crepusins. In addition, cobra and krait venom also contain highly neurotoxic non-enzymatic component like basic polypeptide which cause neuromuscular block. Viperine venom contain hemorrhagic, necrotic, coagulant and hemolytic substance which lead to extensive necrosis. Lesions are due to intravascular coagulation, fibrinolysis, damage to vascular endothelium and extensive necrosis. Venoms of sea snake are neurotoxic. They can also cause extensive tissue. Speed of action of venom. This depends on the site of injection and the amount injected. If the venom directly enters the bloodstream, effect may be rapid and lead to sudden death. In most of the cases, the absorption of venom is slower and especially in viperine bites with extensive local reaction. Considerable amount of venom may remain locally which will be absorbed into the circulation in due course. Effect or clinical feature of snake bite. First, immediate response seen in all snake bites. There will be severe fright and mental agitation leading to tachycardia, sweating, hypotension and even vascular collapse. Second, local reaction. This is seen more in viperine bites than in other. There will be intense pain, swelling and violaceous discoloration developing within minutes and often a sero-sanguineous fluid exudate from the fang marks. Edema and discoloration spread proximally and in a few hours. Vesicle and hemorrhagic blebs may appear. General effects. The general effects vary with the type of snake. Cobra and sea snake venoms are predominantly neurotoxic. Viperine venom is histotoxic and hemorrhagic. There will be some overlapping of the effect during certain seasons. Cobra and krait bites. They are neurotoxic. Soon after the bite, the patient complain of a sinking feeling, drowsiness, blurring of vision, diplopia, dysphagia and dyspnea. There will be paralysis of palate, tongue, pharynx and respiratory muscles. There will be flaccid paralysis of the limbs associated with hypotonia and a diminution in the tendon reflexes. Coma and death can happen due to respiratory failure or shock in 6 to 48 hours. Sometimes the symptoms may present as acute myasthenic crisis. Viperine bites. It is histotoxic and hemorrhagic. Within 3 to 4 hours of bite, there will occur the following feature: hemorrhagic manifestation, which appear as extensive bruise, bleeding from bitten parts, bleeding from gums, epistaxis, loci, purpura, hemorrhagica, hematemesis, and melena. Bleeding can lead to shock. Cardiac manifestation occur as tachycardia, myocarditis, and cardiac failure. Rarely there will be optic neuritis leading to partial or complete blindness in 2 to 7 days. Renal changes occur as proteinuria and hematuria. A dreaded complication due to direct nephrotoxicity is anuric renal failure, the lesion of which are acute tubulonecrosis, hemorrhagic interstitial nephritis, and acute glomerulonephritis. Death in viperine bite occur due to shock, hemorrhage, secondary infection, renal failure, or cardiac failure. Fifth, curate venom is neurotoxic. They present with symptoms similar to cobra bite but is most lethal. Local reaction is minimal. Sea snakes, their venom is neurotoxic and nephrotoxic. There will be pain and stiffness of muscles of neck, back and proximal part of limbs, trismus, ptosis, ophthalmologia and paralysis, and the symptoms may lead to respiratory failure. Proteinuria and myoglobinuria occurs. Death is due to respiratory paralysis and renal failure. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.